All right, hello and welcome to part four of our business basics with Young Living. This is actually going to be our final segment. So, the first video, you should have your why. The second video, you should have your rank goal, have that highlighted and starred. The third video, you should know about strategic placement and what you should be doing on a daily basis to help your paycheck grow. So today we're talking about the last little bit, which includes some taxes and just some important little facts as well before we close up here. So since this is a side business, it is a business. So there are taxes. So whenever you treat this like a hobby, then you get paid like a hobby. If you treat this like a business, you get paid like a business. That, of course, means taxes. I'm not an accountant, so in order to get accurate information, you will need to contact your accountant. But I can tell you this. When you purchase your premium starter kit that you are given, that's an opportunity to become a business owner. So congratulations. As a Young Living member, you are considered to be an independent distributor, paid as a 1099 contracted employee with Young Living. And according to the IRS, if you make over $600 during the previous year, so during 2018, and in the case right now, you will need to claim your earnings. Okay, and Living will send you a 1099 form at the beginning of the year that you'll use to file your taxes. I recommend setting aside every month from your Young Living paycheck so that so you're not caught off guard when taxes come due on April the 15th. Ask your accountant how much you should be saving each month to put towards your taxes. Being a business owner means that you have the ability to deduct business expenses. You need to check with your accountant, but I hear these are common deductions for your Young Living business. So on the screen, you can see your starter kit. That is a deduction. Products that you give away as samples, a work computer, phone, website, office supplies, mileage to and from get-togethers. There are some great apps to use for that. Your convention ticket, and if you're not going to convention, you should. So get with your enroller about how to do that. Subscription services like Grow Workspace that I have mentioned that I use for this presentation, or Oily Tools like I mentioned previously as well. Those are two that are helpful for your business. So keep in mind you will have taxes due. Okay. Um, so how do you know if I'll be good at this business? We've already covered a lot, but I want to cover one last thing, and that is that you'll be great at this business. This business is all about building relationships. And if you care for people and you want the best for people, then you will have an amazing business. Also, if you're coachable, then you will go far. Being coachable is being aware of your surroundings, paying attention to what others are saying, and teaching based off of experiences. So it's listening closely enough to pull out the golden nuggets that might help you along your journey and applying them into your life. If you're closed-minded and you just have your own ways and you just kind of go independently without any support, then it'll be harder for you to grow a successful business. If you're willing to work on personal growth, then you will go far. Okay, I mentioned previously that Young Living has transformed my life. And one of the ways, and I was listening to a training call last week from Young Living, is that the end product is not a paycheck. The end product is not having a gold team or a diamond team. The end product is you. Okay. The end product for me is me and how I am at the end of the day. And this Young Living business will help you grow and help you become a better person. It's amazing. The best part about this business is that we all work together. Our team has people with all different personalities, yet we all link arms, play to our strengths, and help one another grow. It's amazing. So, I want you to squash those limiting beliefs and get out there and start sharing. This is a learn as you go type of business. Don't wait until you know everything because everything changes. I promise I will be here every step of the way if I am your upline. If not, contact your closest silver and they will help you. If you would like to get a Grow Workspace membership, they have a 1 week free trial. I will provide that link in the comments below, and you can cancel that subscription at any time. Remember, it's not your job to decide who does and doesn't need these products or this business opportunity. It is your job to share it with the ones that you love. It is their job to decide what is best for them. Just like me, I know now, may change to a yes later. I told you guys it took me time from my first class until I joined for it to be a yes. Okay. And my upline, they didn't know how long it was going to be for me, but yet I was asked. And whenever the time was right, I said yes. So keep that in mind. So, how many lives can you change when you say yes? Squash those limiting beliefs for real. Don't say, oh, that person doesn't have money. Oh, that person, they're not healthy. Okay. Present the opportunity and share. Reach out to people that invited you to this and let them know that you're ready to start your Young Living business. If I invited you, then send me a message and let's look at those classes and let's get you started. Okay. Have a wonderful day and bless you.